is. Look at these pajamas over here, Al, to your right, with the little hoodie right there. Adorable. Good morning. And this hat right up here, the turkey hat, looking good. And there's a guy that looks like Patrick Swayze in the audience. His name's Doug. I don't know if we can see him right over there. Doug. Doug, move forward. Al, I don't know if you can get him. Come right to the front, Doug. Does he look like Patrick Swayze? Yeah, he looks like Patrick Swayze. His name's Doug. I'm calling him Patrick, but I'm calling you Paul.
Yes.
Executive Chef Paul Pabubin. Nice to see you.
Thank you.
And we have Christina right here, and we have Lauren. Do you like cookies, Lauren?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to be making cookies. And this is really neat. You could do this at home, but this is for special guests here at the Sheraton. What do we have here?
What we've got is a dry mix for a cookie recipe, and we've got the cookies already made here. It's a white chocolate cranberry oat cookie, and it's a good way to get the family together. Either put the jar together as a family or bake the cookies together as a family. So all you need to do is add the wet ingredients once the jar is given as a gift. It's an easy way to give a Christmas present, and it's fast and quick and easy. So
I don't know if Christina likes cookies. Do you like cookies, sweetheart?
Yes.
Yes, that was just a silly question. Okay, we're going to get the kids to pour the ingredients in. So you've got yours right over here on this side, Lauren. Christina, you've got yours. So what do we put in first?
So we're going to put the flour in first.
So you put the flour in, sweetheart.
So we're just going to spoon the flour in.
And this is an easy way to do it, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
So we're just going to open that up.
While you're doing that, what do you want for Christmas, Christina?
Clip-ons.
Clip-ons. What are clip-ons?
I saw them on the internet.
You saw them on the internet? Well, they must be pretty cool. And Lauren, what do you want?
Just Dance 2015.
Is that a game?
Yeah.
Just Dance 2015, that's what she wants. Okay, we got the flour in, then what do we put in?
And then we're going to put some baking soda, baking powder, and some salt in.
Can we just name the ingredients? We've got sugar, brown sugar, white sugar,
sun-dried cranberry, white chocolate chips, and oats.
You put it all in there. What a great Christmas gift, and you give this to special guests here at the Sheraton?
That's right. We give it to all our preferred customers, and it's an easy way to just say Merry Christmas.
Am I a preferred customer?
You absolutely are.
Okay, well, I'm going to take one of these.
There
Patrick Swayze, come on over here, Patrick.
Oh, there you go.
You're a preferred customer. There you go. Thank you. Merry Christmas. You are all preferred customers here this morning at the Sheraton here. We'll see you when we come back. Who wants a cookie? Who wants a cookie?